everyone. Welcome to Rayacademy IAS. This is Vishakha and I'm again back with another video for OPSC Mains for OCS 2023 examination. As we all know that the gap between the prelims as well as the mains is very less. So it's always advisable to start your preparation early. And that's why Rayacademy IAS have come up with another course, that is the OPSC Mains for OCS 2023 examination. This particular course has been named as a men's mentorship program. From the name, as we could find out, that it's a mentorship kind of a program where you will be getting direct mentorship session for your mains writing directly from our top mentors, faculties as well as the toppers from the previous year. So now come, let's see what all are included, what are the features that you will be getting and what are the benefits that you will be having from this course. Now, in this particular course, we have two particular sections. The first is the answer writing program. So from the name itself, we can find out the answer writing program is basically the mock test preparation. The more and more answers you will be writing, the more and more marks you will be getting. So as you start your mains preparation by writing the answers, all your loopholes and whatever mistakes you will be making in your answer writing, that will be rectified from the very beginning. So what all are there in the answer writing program, let's see. The first is the mock test. As I said that the mock test will be included in this particular program, where you will be getting the sectional as well as the full length mock test. Now coming to the next stage, that is the 7 days evaluation and feedback. We all know that when we are writing an answer, so we are writing with a hope that that will be evaluated and a proper feedback will be provided to you at a correct time. So in this particular course, you will be getting the evaluation after your submission within 7 days. Within 7 days, you will be getting the answer evaluation with proper feedback from our mentors. Now coming to the model answers and test discussion classes. So in this particular course, you will be getting the test series model answers for all the sectional as well as the full length test. So model answers helps you to make your answer more attractive and more meaningful. So whatever points you will be missing in your answer, that will be provided by our academy so that you can just rectify your answers and form it in a proper way. Now coming to the next, that is the test discussion class. So along with the answer writing program and along with the model answers, you will be getting the test discussion classes. So in the text discussion classes, whatever test you will be going through, our mentors and faculties will be there to discuss the entire test series, so that whatever doubts you have or you have been facing in that particular test, that will be rectified as soon as possible. Now coming to the next step, that is flexible test submission. So you can just write your answers. We know that there are many working professionals or persons, those who are involved with some kind of business or household works. So you do not have to worry. We will be giving you a flexible time. So you can write your answers and submit it according to your flexible time whenever it is suitable for you. But writing the answer, that is recommendable. Because if you write, then only you will be getting the proper feedback and your loopholes will be rectified from the beginning. Now online and offline. So this particular course is available both in the online as well as in the offline mode. So you can opt for any of the one. Now the questions will be in both English and Odia, as we know that in the OPSC exam the questions are coming in both the languages. So whatever languages you will be comfortable, you will be getting the questions in both the language in the actual exam as well as in the practice test that we are providing in Rayacademy IAS. Now coming to the Odia medium evaluation available. So this Odia medium evaluation available, it means that there are people, there are aspirants, those have decided to give the entire exam in the Odia language, so that it would be easier for them to get these marks from the in the test. So basically what we are doing is, you can write your answers in the Odia medium as suitable or as feasible to you. you will be getting proper evaluation with feedback from our academy. So we have our experts, we have our mentors, those who can give you proper guidance even if you write the answer and submit it in the Odia medium. Now coming to the next, that is toppers guidance. As I already said you that this particular program is basically the mentorship and the guidance program that you will be getting. So toppers guidance is always available here in our academy. Whenever you feel or whenever we feel that there is a need for a toppers conversation with you, then we will surely be arranging the toppers guidance so that the toppers coming directly from the toppers' mouth, that how they have prepared for their examination, will give you a sense of motivation, and that will be very helpful when you write your mains paper. There are certain tips and tricks that will be provided by them, and that will be helpful for you in your writing. Now the mentorship. So mentorship is always available whenever you have any doubts or queries regarding how to write your answer, or how will it be easier for you to frame your answer, then obviously our mentors are there to guide you out. You will be getting a chance to directly interact with our mentor Shankar Rai sir, who has an experience more than 8 to 10 years of experience he has in this particular field. So he will always be there to guide you out throughout this entire journey. Now coming back to the next thing, that is the mains mentorship program. So mains mentorship program includes everything. It includes everything. It means that whatever is there in the answer writing program, the same things will be provided in the mains mentorship program. Along with that, you will be getting some extra benefits that are subject specific classes. So mains mentorship program has been designed to give you the particular specific mains classes, because along with the answer writing, mains classes are also important. Whatever doubts you have while you are self-studying, or whatever queries you have when you are going through the particular paper or particular subject, so our mentors and faculties will be there to provide you the proper guidance and support for that particular subject. Now coming with the value added notes and handouts. So value added notes and handouts are very important, especially when you are preparing for the mains, because there are certain topics which you might find a bit difficult to understand. So that's the point where our mentors or faculties will be there to guide you out. They will be providing you with the proper notes that could just articulate your answer. You can articulate your answer in a proper way by going through the notes. Now the one-on-one mentorship. So mentorship session is very important, as I said. So here in this mains mentorship program, the extra benefit that you will be getting is the mains one-to-one mentorship mentorship. So one-to-one mentorship is basically whatever you are facing any difficulties in your preparation, then a mentor will be there to guide you out throughout the entire process. He will be there to give you a pushback when you lack in your preparation, or whenever you have doubts while preparing for the course. Now let's come to the next slide. See, here we have a toppers copy. You can see Siddhant Nayak, our OPS OCS 2022 topper. He is ranked number 20, and he has written he had been very proficient in his writing. Similarly, we suggest you that if you be very consistent in your writing and in your preparation, you should write and submit your answer. Then only you will be getting the particular feedback. If there are any mistakes, then that will be rectified from very beginning. Now see, here is a sample copy of a question paper that we are providing in our academy. As I already said you that there will be questions in both the languages, as you will be getting it in the actual examination. So here it is, you will be getting in Odia as well as in English, both the languages questions you will be getting. So it will be easier for you to understand the question. And one more thing, when you write an answer, you should be very cool-minded, because that time when you make a single mistake in understanding the question, your entire answer may go wrong. So it's always advisable to read the question at least twice or thrice while writing your answer. Now coming to the next page, here are the toppers of 2022 examination. As you can see it in the screen, we have rank 4, 6, 9, 10, 20, 25. So these are our rank holders for OCS 2022 examination. Now coming to the what are the subjects or what are the syllabus that we will be covering. So in this particular course, you will be getting the GS paper 1, 2, 3 and 4 that are very important for your mains examination. So you will be getting all the 4 GS papers, and in that 4 GS papers, you will be getting 20 number of tests, where it will be including 12 sectional and 8 full length. And as I said you before, that offline and online both modes are available. So if you are going to take the answer writing program or the mains mentorship program, that is MMP, then you will be having just a nominal course fees that we are charging for this particular mains answer writing session. So these particular course fees, as you can see it in the screen, the PDF will be available. So you can just download the PDF from the comment section itself. So you will be getting the details of this particular PDF that I am showing you. And the courses fees, as you could make out from the screen itself, that these are the least course fees that anyone could afford. So this is the GS paper 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have the essay papers that includes 4 tests, 2 sectional and 2 full length. Then we have a separate module for GS paper 4, that is ethics, where you will be getting 4 tests, 2 sectional and 2 full length. Then the last is the Odia and English language compulsory paper, where you will be getting 4 tests, that is 2 sectional and 2 full length. And all these things are available both in offline as well as in the online mode. But I would also recommend or suggest you one thing, that the people or the aspirants, those who are belonging from Bhubaneswar or those who are staying nearby, should always join an offline course, because offline, like writing practice, is very important. You could just make out the time and the length of how much time you are taking for a single question to write. And when you are joining the offline mode, then you will be getting that proper environment. The proper time. You can also see that how many people are appearing the exams, and like you can discuss with your friends while writing the paper. After submission of the paper, you can just find out that how their preparations are going on. So it's always recommended to join the offline course, as your answer writing practice will be way more easier and helpful for your preparation. And obviously the people, those who stay like away from Bhubaneswar, or those who are staying in like other cities, they can join the online mode, because they cannot come up for a particular course or for a particular writing session, correct? So you can join in both offline and online. Course fees are already available here. Now coming to the next thing, that is the optional subjects. As we know that in the mains exam, optional subject has the maximum marks. So optional subject we have, this is also available in both offline as well as in online mode. So it will be available, like the optional subjects that we have is geography, history, home science, forestry, agriculture, political science and international relation, public administration, sociology, Odia and anthropology. So these are the optional subjects that we have decided to come up with the course for the mains. And these optional subjects have 12 tests, 8 sectional and 4 full length. So if you go write this practice or write this test, your practice will be like way more easier, and you can get what kind of questions can come up in the exam. So this is also available in both offline as well as in online mode. So there are 2 price the thing that you can see it in the screen, and that is also very nominal. So I would just tell you that if you join this particular GS as well as the optional subjects, definitely your answer writing practice will be far more better from the time that you have started your practice. Okay, so this is what the entire course is all about. I hope that you have got a clear picture of what all things or what all benefits you will be getting from the course. So I would recommend you to join this particular course as soon as possible. Do not delay. Do not wait for a prelims exam to come happen, because if that will be delayed, then your preparation for the mains exam will be very less, and that time you will be in very much hurry and tension. So I would just suggest and I would just recommend everyone to join this particular course as soon as possible and start your mains answer writing journey from the very beginning. And as soon as you start, Rayacademy IAS is always there to help you and guide you out throughout your entire process. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and also whenever you feel whenever you want to join this course, or you want to have some details about this course, then feel to call us on this number at any time, and you can enroll for this course. Thank you everyone.